What's up, everyone? It's Drew from FastLane Emergency Vehicles. It's really hot out here, but not as hot as these Tahoes. We have two 2023 Chevrolet Tahoes for Englewood Cliffs. As always, we're going to go tip the butt and check these bad boys out. So like I mentioned before, these two Tahoes are for Englewood Cliffs. Shout out Kenny Flynn, sales guy on that. Always fun working with him. Exterior light package, start there. 4 red, white M-Powers here on the front grille. Nice and squishy. Always love those. Moving here, front intersection lightings here underneath the headlight on the front bumper fascia is a red, blue, white M-Power. Same kind of deal. Up top, we have an Enforce light bar. Like all the Enforces that we install, has our custom stainless steel bracketry, which allows it to sit more low profile and mount directly to the roof. So all the Enforces you see that we have, on all these trucks in the videos and stuff we're delivering, has that bracket. Moving back even more, you can see they have their graphics package, door seal, all custom printed here at FastLane. Another red, blue, white M-Power here in the M-Power shroud in the window, works really well. Incognito, but also pretty bright for rear intersection lighting. Here in the back, the sound off arrow, so a bunch of M-Powers here that also form the traffic advisor underneath the spoiler. Vertical red, blue, white M-Powers next to license plates, and then red, amber M-Powers down here on the back bumper. Also notice the graphic package has a nice little ghosted chevron going on here. I think it looks really good, as well as their gold leaf graphics they have. So I'm going to pull double duty in here, enjoying the air conditioning and talking about all the awesome stuff in the cab. Starting up top, as always, we have an overhead console, cat design, CNC cut, power code faceplates, poly build texture. This one, like most of them, have the 3 built-in radio speakers, a couple little button lights for map lights. You have also the external map light. You have a little red light district action here. 7-inch Fastplex touchscreen, controls all the functionality on the vehicle, has a little pictograph of the truck, when doors are open, lights are on, the world is your oyster with this thing. OEM airbag module is also retained. Then down here in the console, as always, you have your 20-slot fuse block here on the side. All fuse diameters on the vehicle are ran through there. Really easy for troubleshooting. All the OEM USB and PowerPoint stuff is up here in this frontmost faceplate. Customer supplied Motorola 05 heads. Whalen 295 sound controller, makes noise. A couple cup holders, there's the keys. Swing away adjustable height armrests, we love those. Custom fabricated, welded, TIG welded. Braxton usually does these and he always knocks out of the park. Mat book slot. We have their customer supplied portable radio charger here for a Motorola portable, and then you have this welded compartment here where you can drop other stuff in storage. Alright, nothing much going on here. They kept their back seats, so I'll flip this bad boy down. Has a nice little storage cubby over here. You can see their vented Lexan cover where all the electrical components are. Also here on the exterior, instead of the usual spot on the driver's side C pillar, they have a super auto eject here on the back bumper. And then over here, flip this down, you can see their electrical box. So all the electrical components in the vehicle are housed right here, nice and easy access. Alright, so here on the other side of the liftgate, we have some more red, amber, green M-Powers. The command mode's on currently, so they're flashing green. 2 rear facing, 2 left, right facing. On the actual trim panel itself, you have some radio speakers, the aforementioned radio heads. And you have 4 of these Technique dome lights. These are actually the 4-inch versions, so they're bigger than the normal 2 3/4-inch ones that we do. So lots of ambient light down here at night. This thing's actually super bright. Cabinet's pretty cool, simple, functional, but has some nice tricks hidden up its sleeve. Here we have a big tray, and then SCBA bracket will be mounted here. When the customer comes to pick it up for delivery tomorrow morning. Pretty good catch-all tray right here. Over here you have your rear command center, so you have a rear 4.3-inch Fastplex touchscreen. Has all the same functionality as the larger one in the overhead console, but allows you to control lighting and everything from back here while you're running command. Wireless phone charger, so I'll plop my phone down here and it'll charge up real quick. That's cool. I always love integrating these in the cabinets. I think this is a nice little recessed pocket. Really cool, really neat. Some customer supplied items here. So we have their portable charger, their stream light, another charger here, and then their Knox box. Couple power points here, so one dual USB, one 12-volt cigarette lighter outlet here on the RCC panel. Again, their radio heads. Down here we have this is like a little adjustable divider drawer, so you have these Lexan dividers that you can pop out and rearrange however you want. Some nice section storage. We're gonna ignore the car driving by right now because this is a good take. I don't want to lose it. Here we have a command drawer, so right here, you have some more storage. You put your phone here, you can put some dry erase boards, you can do whatever. This has the flip down faceplate option, which is super cool, so you can have a little bit of storage under here, underneath the board. Pop that bad boy up. Gastra assisted command board, like always, so this is, rideable surface, you can run command, really one-stop shop, for run command. So push this bad boy down, push this in. And that's this cabinet in all its glory. Alright folks, thanks for taking the time to check out these two Tahoes with me. I actually really like these things. They're a perfect example of nice, clean, efficient trucks. As always, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more cool FastLane content, and I'll see you folks next time.